So the planche push-up differs from a regular kettlebell push-up because you're leaning past the bells. So regular push-up, elbows are stacked over the wrist, shoulders are over the elbows. But for the planche push-up, you're gonna basically be on your toes as you go down. And you're gonna be leaning forward. So as you get more advanced, you can lean all the way forward, but just imagine doing these on gym rings. That's like a regular gymnastics planche. So doing it on kettlebells is a great way to work your way up to that. I can't do that. You gotta be a freak to do that stuff. So just start with the kettlebells and you'll notice a lot more chest engagement. There's not as much tricep since you're leaning way over, coming down into that position. Work your way into it. Don't push super hard. Just begin by trying to get on your toes. Boom, just like that. And as you get more advanced, you can keep working further and further forward. But overall, the planche position is just a great way to overload the chest without having to add external weight.